Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a gorgeous evening in Los Angeles. I have been having a lot of fun playing with the Amsterdam Pearl series, and lately I've been using them in wandering ring pours and wandering straight pours, and it's been really enlightening. It's been a really fun journey. The Amsterdam Pearls work really well when they're on top of a darker color, so I've been using that knowledge and playing with them with a split cup, and it's been very, very enjoyable. So the last one we did was called Atmosphere. It was a big 36 by 36, and I kind of wanted some big loops across the canvas with a lot of negative space, and I don't think I had enough of a flow extender slash base coat. So instead of my rings staying as nice rings, everything got really, really stretched out. It was a very, very pretty piece, and the pearls did what they were supposed to do, but it wasn't what was in my head. So tonight we're going to try to make that happen, what's in my head. We have an 18 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with my Basecoat Color. Let me show you that color because it is beautiful. This started out as the drips from Atmosphere from that last pour, plus some Prussian Blue, and then I also, because it had some of the pearls in it, it wasn't very, very dark, so I added a little bit of a color that I have a lot of. Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. Yeah, so this is a little bit of the Blue Violet and the Prussian Blue and the drips from the last pour. So this is a gorgeous color, very deep, very rich, and the pearls are going to show up beautifully on top of this. So the pearls that we're using tonight, we're using the Pearl Blue, which is probably my favorite one of the pearls because I love that pop of that electric blue color when it's dry. It's just so pretty to me. And we are using the Pearl Violet, which is probably not my favorite one. But I think it's going to show up really, really beautiful on top of the beautiful blue violet color that we're using as the base. So we're using our split cup, my darling Fiona's modular split cup. This is exclusively available from the lovely people at Fluid Art Co. Their website is www.fluid-art.co, and you can get your own modular split cup. So we're going to put down a runway of this color. We're going to layer our split cup with the pearls and that. It's configured for 3 colors. Last time I did the 3 different pearls, and I put a little bit of layers of the Prussian Blue in there. I don't think I want to do that tonight. I think I want to just do the blue and the violet and the Prussian Blue in the middle. So let's do that. We're going to put the Pearl Blue on this chamber on this side. And we're going to put the Pearl Violet. Let's pour some of this in there. Probably be better. That's what happens if you leave your stick in your cup. You're gonna fill the middle chamber with the Prussian-y Blue Violet. Okay. And now we're gonna do the other chamber with the Pearl Violet. I think this is gonna be really, really pretty. Okay.
Uncharacteristically, you're not filling that up all the way.
Well, we only need about 15 ounces of paint for this whole canvas, so
Okay.
I'm trying to have some self-control. All right, I also don't want to have a lot of paint in there because I don't want a lot coming out. I want to do some rings and stretch them out. So we're going to put down our runway again, our aircraft carrier, as you joked last time. But this is really important. Like I mentioned earlier, in the last painting, I felt like I didn't have enough of a base coat, and because of that, it completely changed the outcome of how I was tilting. It wasn't easy and fast. I had to actually really work to get the paint to move where I wanted it to because there wasn't enough of a flow extender and I didn't have any more mixed up. So, okay, let's put this over here. Move these two over. All right. So last time I did actually pour it in some bigger loops. I think that wasn't the best thing, so I want to try smaller ones, but with space in between them. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay, here we go. Alright. Okay, that's cool. Okay. All right. This is good. This is actually really, really good. Let's torch this real quick. Somebody had asked me if I've ever set a painting on fire using that torch. The answer is no. But when you are torching, the trick is don't get super, super close to the canvas and don't keep the flame in one place. You're constantly moving, and that way you won't burn your painting. Okay, this is really pretty already. I can already see the violet, which is making me happy, which means that the other color is the pearl blue. I love the Prussian color inside. I don't think we actually need more paint on this. Okay, we have way more than enough paint on here, so I don't even think we need to add more of a base coat. But I'm gonna. Well, because there's a certain composition that I want. And if I don't put more base coat on there, then I'm not going to get it.
I thought you did set one on fire once. Something that had.
No, it smoldered. It smoked, but there was no fire.
Okay.
Why is torching important? Because if you have bubbles coming up from your painting because of how you poured or whatever reason, and you don't pop them and you tilt, it's entirely possible, actually this happened in the last painting, that the bubble stays where it is and the paint moves over it and it disrupts your composition. So that's another reason. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go off this corner because I want to anchor it on both corners and open it up. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go back towards the center. I'm gonna take a little bit off of that edge. Come back, see. Are you starting to see the purple too? Not really. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna take a little bit of this off just to get this to go over that edge. Come back. And we're gonna get a little bit of a curve going in here and go down this way. I think it's pretty cool looking. Again, it's not exactly what I wanted to have happen, but it is very cool, and I kind of am loving what's happening on this side where you see a lot of the purple coming through and the pearl violet, which is really cool. All right, this is kind of cool. What do you think?
I like it.
Do you think we're done, or do you think I should take more off?
No.
You think we're done?
Yeah. Is it too thick? It's going to dry.
No, it'll be fine. Because we actually did get the base coat to go over each corner, so.
It's psychedelic inchworm. Cyclone. Tornado.
You don't think I should take a little bit of this off and then we could open it up
I
a little
think
bit
so.
more?
Yeah.
I think so. Just gonna find the way to the paint. And I'm gonna let some go right off of that corner. because I want to open this up a little bit more. Yeah, no, that side's really stretched out. Let me take this back down now and open up this side too. I think we're just gonna go off of this edge right there, just a little bit, leaving some of that pearl. There we go. I like that. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better. I saw something in there. That's gonna drive me nuts now. Okay. This is looking really, really pretty. I'm very happy with this. I like this. I like this a lot. I love the simplicity of it. I love the colors that are going to show up. That pearl blue and the pearl violet are going to be beautiful. And I love this secondary purple that's showing up from where the pearls blended with that Prussian blue we had, or the blue violet that we had. Really cool. Okay, so this is pretty awesome. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this pour also as much as I did. And we will be right back with dried results. Cool.
Cutting?
I love that Basecoat color, huh? Okay, so here we are a few days later with our dried results. Ta-da! That's pretty cool. HOA, can you tilt it upwards for us? And now come down and go back up. A little bit more. There we go. Look at all that beautiful pearl blue and pearl violet blinging and blinging and blinging. That's awesome. This one came out so pretty. I love the simplicity of it. I love those colors. I love the base coat color. It's so beautiful, deep and rich. I really like the movement and the flow in this one. So this was really, really cool. I'm very happy with this piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you all so much for hanging out with us. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. And we'll see you on Sunday. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Can you tilt it back and forth a little bit more? There you go. Go down again. Yeah, that's so cool. Awesome.